Right. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it
Yes.
started.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you just go through the slide once again so that it is in the recording? We can see it later always.
Okay, otherwise you can get this recording from Nancy ma'am also because of morning में morning shift के लिए हम लोग already कर चुके हैं और shall I start once again?
Ma'am, you don't need to explain again, just the pages once again so that we it is in the recording.
Ma'am, you got to
Okay,
repeat
fine.
the
I'll
slide
try.
again.
Just a minute. Sure. I'll do it. Our first slide is about the CRC. So it stands for Corporate Resource Cell. Second slide is about CRC vision, right? So vision of CRC is to bridging the gap between the students and the industry, and we also promote entrepreneurship, right? This is about the objective. Is we do explore the possibilities of having customized curriculum as per the industry of need of industry. Then role of CRC, ki how we are working, so how we interact with the industry interaction. And the next slide is a placement procedure. So we have a placement presentation first, then we invite for pre-placement talks, then we schedule placement week, then offer jobs. This is about the our strong pillar advisory board, one of the very strong pillar. We have a very elite people, very high profile people from the industry. Then we have a very innovative learning techniques and industry interference, alumni and faculty. This is about the placement scenario 1920, and it is about the summer training. The objective of summer training is to give you first information about the industry. This is the roadmap, CRC roadmap, and it is about the focus on career. So we conduct different activities. CCPPS is a very specially designed program for management students to provide you soft skill and hard skill. Then we time to time we conduct aptitude classes and we are doing mentoring also, right? This is the about eligibility for placement, right? So you need to understand what three category we are giving you. First is the topper, second is achiever, third is the scholar. So topper means ki if you're throughout 70%, I mean in 10 12 graduation, and your attendance should not be less than 80%. Please listen very carefully, right? First of all, your percentage, your academic should be very strong. I mean, it should not be less than 70% in your 10th, 12th, and graduation, and attendance should not be less than 80%, and no backlog. And you have a very good feedback from your HOD, deans, and CRC. So you're going to get unlimited chances for sitting in campus placement. Clear? That's the number one top category. Number two is the achiever. That category belongs to students with 65% in 10 12 graduation, and your attendance in your college should not be less than 75%. Again, no backlog and good feedback from your HODs, Dean, and CRC. You're going to avail 15 chances. And the third category, which is the lower category, that's a scholar. So if your percent is 60% or equal, or attendance is less than 70%, and backlog in one subject and average feedback, so you're going to avail only and only 7 chances. Clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me, can you brief Paridhi? Yes, Paridhi? What is your understanding about this slide? Yes, Avinav? Better let's make this class interactive. Otherwise, no sense to attend this class. Ankit Jha, can you elaborate it? What is your understanding about this slide? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, there are three categories. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there are
Ma'am,
three categories. Ma'am, topper, achiever, and the scholar. Ma'am, in
Yes.
this topper, there's you need to go out 70% throughout 10th or 12th and graduation and 80% attendance in the college
Yes.
and no backlog and excel and the summer intern should be there and you should and then you'll get unlimited number of chances for sitting in campus placement and live
Yes.
projects.
Yes.
And the second thing, throughout, you have to go to 65% in 10th, 12th, and graduation, and 75% attendance in the college. Backlog in one subject only, and ma'am, good performance in summer training and good feedback from the coordinator.
बेटा
HOD.
no read to read. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
important is कि understanding. कितनी
Yeah, ma'am.
कैटेगरी है? टॉपर, अचीवर, स्कॉलर.
Yeah, and
टॉपर में
scholar. Yes, ma'am.
70%, अकेडमिक, अचीवर में 65 और स्कॉलर में 60%. Your
Yes.
percentage. Attendance टॉपर में 80%, 75% and less than 70%. Simple
Yes,
for that and no backlog. ठीक है?
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप टॉपर में आते हो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अनलिमिटेड चांसेस. अचीवर का सेकंड कैटेगरी में आते हो यू आर गोइंग टू अवेल ओनली 15 चांसेस. और स्कॉलर में आते हो इवन 15 चांसेस आर इनफ, बहुत होते हैं प्लेसमेंट के लेने के लिए. और स्कॉलर में यू कैन गेट ओनली 7 चांसेस. राइट? क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
we have set few rules and regulations, right, to maintain discipline. So first rule is that all communication will be through email or ERP, because of batch size is a 360 student and it is not possible for me to interact individual, right? एक एक से बात नहीं कर सकते हैं. So we have make one channel, that's a communication channel through ERP. है? So whatever information is floated through, we are sharing through ERP or sending emails to you. Or sometimes we have WhatsApp group also. So it is my advice to all of you, please check your mails very regularly, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Check your WhatsApp messages
Okay,
very regularly. और
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
my advice to all कि आप अपने एक नोटिफिकेशन का एक वो आता है, आप उस पर नोटिफिकेशन लगा लो. जैसे CRC से कोई मिलेगा नोटिफिकेशन आपको उसमें क्लिक कर जाएगा, so that you cannot miss any message from CRC. That's a very important, right? or in case somehow if you are able not मतलब miss हो जाता है, तो you have this much networking with your friend कि वो आपको information pass on कर दे. Correct? Number 2, no resume will be accepted after the deadline. For example, if I say your company is coming on 15th of October for placement, for Byju's is coming on 15th, then you need to submit your CV by 10th of October. It means I am not going to accept your resume on 11th October. भले कंपनी 15 को आ रही है, 16 को आ रही है, if I say you have to submit your resume by 10th of October, it means 10th of October. So you need to meet deadlines, right? Number 3, once you send your resume for any company, you cannot back out. Like for example, Byju's is coming on 15th of October, right? So I always share all the information about the company, about the job profile, about the location, about the salary package. I always share all information with you. I'll give you a time. You take 2 days time. You can discuss with your parents. If you're not satisfied with any point, आपको लग रहा है कि कंपनी अच्छी नहीं है, कंपनी अच्छी है तो पैकेज कम है या सब ठीक है तो लोकेशन ठीक है, don't apply. You can discuss with your parents, with your sister, brother, जिससे भी आपको डिस्कस करना. But students, keep in your mind, once you say yes ma'am, we are comfortable with all terms and condition, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सैलरी से, we are happy with the salary, we are happy with the location, or we wanted to participate. Once you say, you cannot back out. आपको पूरी लिबर्टी है, पूरी चॉइस है. इफ यू वांटेड टू if you don't to apply, don't apply. You can discuss with your parents. For example, Byju's कंपनी आ रही है, उसका लोकेशन ये है, पैकेज ये है और ये प्रोफाइल है. You can discuss. If you're not comfortable, don't apply. But if you're comfortable, if you say yes, you wanted to go ahead, please keep in your mind you cannot back out. Clear? It is very
Ma'am,
important. Yes.
ma'am, like if I opt for a company and then if I, ma'am, in the last moment due to some emergency case, ma'am, if I can't be able to attend the interview, ma'am, so
Why? ऐसा कौन सा रीजन आ जाएगा एकदम
ma'am,
से?
ma'am, accident only, ma'am, like if I'm coming to the college and if something happens, ma'am, it's like
But ऐसे भी अभी this is not the right time to discuss. Be positive.
oh, okay, ma'am.
Be positive.
Okay.
ऐसा
मैम
सोचना
अगर
नहीं चाहिए.
2 कंपनी से ऑफर लेटर आ गए हो
हाँ?
अगर 2 कंपनी को ऑफर लेटर आ गया हो।
हाँ, मैं भी डिस्कस करती हूँ, ये पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, गोइंग टू डिस्कस। यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया सबको ना? इट इज क्लियर टू
Yes,
एवरीवन?
ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब तक पॉइंट जो आप लोगों का है कि इफ अ स्टूडेंट हैज बीन सेलेक्टेड इन द कैंपस इंटरव्यू and you get the confirmation or you get your offer letter, so immediately you cannot participate for the other company. ठीक है? आपका एक में सिलेक्शन हो गया। अब आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ। हमारे कैंपस में 15 अक्टूबर को 2 कंपनीज आ रही है, बायजूस और KPMG, राइट? दे आर कमिंग, दे वांटेड टू हायर BBA स्टूडेंट्स फॉर रिसर्च प्रोफाइल एंड फॉर द मार्केटिंग प्रोफाइल. KPMG is offering research with a package of 4 lakh rupees. Okay? And Byju's is offering marketing profile with the package of 10 lakh rupees. ठीक है? मैंने आपसे दोनों JD शेयर कर दिए. You can discuss with your parents. You can discuss with anyone कि आपको ये पॉइंट्स है, ये पैकेजेस है, ये प्रोफाइल है. If you say, man, I am comfortable with both the companies. हाँ? If you say I wanted to go for only for Amazon, मुझे 10 लाख चाहिए. कोई बोलेगा नहीं मुझे रिसर्च में जाना है, I am comfortable with KPMG. It is a good brand. So that's your choice. And that's your perception. But once you say, ma'am, we would like to go ahead with both companies, और वो कैंपस चल रहा है और बाई चांस आपका KPMG का रिजल्ट, आपने दोनों के लिए अप्लाई किया है बट आपका KPMG का रिजल्ट पहले आ गया, ओके, एंड यू गेट सेलेक्टेड and your result is awaited, your process is awaited in Amazon, and you get confirmation from KPMG. The moment I get confirmation, उसी टाइम आपको दूसरी कंपनी के लिए हम ब्लॉक कर देंगे, चाहे आपका 3rd प्रोसेस चल रहा था या 4th प्रोसेस चल रहा था. Immediately you will be blocked for the other companies, क्योंकि it was your choice KPMG. आप अपनी मर्जी से बैठे उस कंपनी में. चांस की बात है कि रिजल्ट पहले किसका आ गया है. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर?
Okay, ma'am.
Because of one thing I'll tell you, CRC या college is not employment exchange. Okay, we are here to help you. हम आपको जॉब की गारंटी बिल्कुल नहीं करते हैं. दिस इज नॉट एम्प्लॉयमेंट कि आपने यहाँ पे एडमिशन अपनी जॉब के लिए लिया है. वी आर हियर टू हेल्प यू. वी इनवाइट कंपनीज, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि वी आर हियर टू ब्रिजिंग द गैप. हम एक ब्रिज बनाते हैं, एक गैप जो खत्म करता है जो स्टूडेंट और एकेडमी के इसमें इंडस्ट्री के बीच में है. वी इनवाइट पीपल, वहां पर तक हमारा रोल है. बाकी सिलेक्शन एंड रिजेक्शन इज एंटायरली अप टू यू. If you are a good student, no one can stop your placement. If you are not good, no company, no college, no management, no CSE can help you. That's your career. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Up, we have certain expectation from students, right? So as and when we are campus, it is my advice, always come in formals. अभी तो आप लोगों का कॉलेज स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, बट वेरी शॉर्टली एज एंड व्हेन वी रीओपन द कॉलेज. सो अगर कैंपस कंपनी को कैंपस में आ रही है तो नो टी शर्ट, नो जीन्स, नो आई मीन हैंकी पैंकी, यू हैव टू कम इन फॉर्मल्स ओनली. ओके. सो सेकेंडली, फॉलो डेडलाइन. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि इफ आई से
जुपिटर पे घूम रहा है मांगता.
what happened? Is there any problem? Okay, so follow deadlines strictly and maintain decorum and come prepared, because of as and when we have a campus placement, it is my advice to students, always go to their website, Google the information, try to get maximum information regarding company profile, prospects and business environment, so that you can ask them intelligent question. It gives a very positive picture and very healthy picture about on the recruiters, right? So even you get more clarity. अगर आपने किसी कंपनी के बारे में पढ़ लिया है कि उसका बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है, and if you have some doubts, you can always clear with the company. Okay, so this is the expectation from students. Always come in formals, try to follow all rules and regulation, meet deadlines, and visit their website before starting any organization, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the journey about what CRC is doing. So admission part, we are the always part of admission. I remember very well, many students along with their parents before getting admission, they visited CRC to understand, to know how's the placement, कौन सी companies are here, and how much package we are offering. So we are also doing counseling, we are doing mentoring also, कि in what way this college is good या क्या आपको मतलब करना चाहिए. So we are doing the part, we are the part of admission. And second, the industry exposure. So as I told you, whatever the activities which is related to your career, we're taking care of. So that include guest talks, and conference, seminars, and industry visits also. And third is the corporate tie-up. So time to time we sign MOU and LU with the companies for your placement, for your training, for your GDPI, for different activities, and we are taking feedback from the students about the company and about students से हम company के लेते हैं, and we take feedback from the company about the students also, so that we can make some good relation between both of them, right? Third is the Guru Vandana. We time to time we organize Guru Vandana. This event is organized on 5th of September, and we invite mentors from the industry to felicitate these people. And third is the alumni meet. And finally, what is the output of such activities? हमारा admission में हम लोग बच्चों की counseling करते हैं, mentoring करते हैं. Then we have very good exposure with the industry, and then we have a good corporate tie-up. That the final result is a good placement, quality placement. Right?
Ma'am,
Clear? Yes.
is there any internships also?
Yes, we'll discuss. We'll discuss. Huh? Once I'm done with this presentation, then I will discuss. Right? Okay. So corporate expectations. So after knowing what is CRC stand for what, and what are the expectations from college and expectation from student. So now we need to discuss what corporate expects you. As in when they're hiring students, they're looking some qualities in students. For example, good leadership quality. What is leadership quality? Should be good planner. एक अच्छा प्लान करने वाला होना चाहिए है. Dedication होना चाहिए, उसमें logical होना चाहिए, systematic, creativity. These are the quality in leadership. So they are always looking student with leadership quality. Number two, initiative. For example, a very good leader. आपने एक अच्छा leader तो बन गया, आपने plan कर लिया उसको creativity के साथ. But if you are not good initiated, तो वो सब वेस्ट जाएगा ना. तो you should be good, should be self starter and ambitious, and should be ability to stay calm and self motivation. Sometimes लीडर्स को कभी कभी बहुत तरह की नेगेटिविटी भी फेस करनी पड़ती है. So in that condition, self motivation is very, very important, right? And the third is the people skill. For example, you are a good planner. आपने plan कर लिया, initiate कर दिया, but you don't know how to handle your team. आप में people skill नहीं है. You're not able to. मतलब आप बहुत जल्दी hyper हो जा रहे हो हैं. So you're not a good listener. तो सारी आपके efforts waste हो गए. Leadership, initiative. So you should have a people skill. People skill is what? Should be good listener. Huh? Teamwork, empathy, comprehension. ठीक है? As in when there's some problem in team, you should know how to handle the particular situation. These are the skills. And then the final integrity. So integrity is a very, very important. Integrity is what? So honesty and fairness. So these are the points which you please need to keep in your mind at the time of placement, right? So now we need to discuss gap. What is gap? A gap क्या होता है कि normally what happen due to unrealistic expectation, our management students are misguided. They are very frustrated. They are thinking, yes, I'm a management student. I have done my MBA, or I'm BBA student. मैं कोई simple graduate तो नहीं हूँ. So I'm looking for a good job with fat salary, with office sitting job. Actually, it is not like this. Can you imagine? We have thousands institute in Delhi. Listen carefully. 1,000 institutes in Delhi, lacks candidates and few jobs. How you can justify it? बहुत MBAs, बहुत management students घूम रहे हैं इस time. So you need to understand what is the gap. Now, especially after this COVID-19, companies are looking skilled students, not management student. एक simple graduate भी अगर अच्छा skill उसमें है, they will prefer to hire a simple graduate student with positivity. Okay, so जब वो बच्चों को नहीं पता, if they are thinking, yes, I'm a management student, it is a cakewalk, I deserve not less than 5 lakh rupees, should be office sitting job. तो जब उसको वो चीजें नहीं मिलती हैं, he or she get frustrated and start jumping from one job to another job, which is not good, neither for the student nor for the company or organization, right? So there are 12 reasons normally students get rejected. As discussed, job hopping, high expectations, बड़े बड़े आपके पुलाव आएंगे, एक केक वॉक लगता है कि MBA के बाद आपको या मैनेजमेंट के आपको एकदम से फैट सैलरी मिलेगी. इट्स अ रॉन्ग परसेप्शन. high expectation, won't relocate. Normally students are very fussy. No, हमें दिल्ली से बाहर नहीं जाना. Yes. Yes. So won't relocate. So you should be open. And then wrong personality. What is the wrong personality? For example, if you're very good in market, you wanted to go for marketing job, but you're very rigid. आपको ज़्यादा traveling, you don't like traveling, you don't want to talk much with people. You're very reserved category. So you're not a fit candidate for marketing job, right? So you have to identify कि आपका strength और weak point क्या है. Accordingly, then you can decide your jobs, right? Unrealistic salary, as we discussed, ki after this management, if you're thinking I deserve 10 lakh rupees, this should not be less than 10, तो वो आपका high expectations होता है. So these are the reason normally students get rejected. Okay, so now we need to preparation. This is our final stage and we have divided in 3 different parts. So first of all, we need to make a very effective resume, then job search and the art of interview. So first step is you need to make a very effective resume, and it is my advice to all of you. Normally what happens, students do cut copy paste. कोई बहुत अच्छा उनको attractive सा objective मिल गया, दे वो अपने इसमें resume paste कर लेते हैं. But students, please keep in your mind, whatever is written in your resume, you have to justify it. You need to justify it. You need to convince the recruiters why you have written this. So whatever you write, you please able to convince the recruiter, right? So then you can mention your work experience, education qualification, and if is there any experience, you can always mention your resume, but it should not be more than 1 page, right? Second is job search करना है आपको. तो you can search your job from you can do research, then classify advertisement, newspapers, networking के through you can get lots of leads, and internet job portals, research companies online, these are companies हैं, and even you can talk to your alumni also, right? The art of interview. What is the art of interview? So this is the stage you showcase yourself that you're the perfect match, you're the best candidate for this particular job. इसके लिए you need to prepare for the interview and how best you look in that interview. So what to prepare for interview में वही आपको मैंने बोला, first of all you need to do SWOT analysis. What is SWOT analysis? You have to identify what is your strength and what is your weakness. As I told you कि अगर आप बहुत reserved nature के हो but you want to go for marketing job, you are not a fit candidate. Yes, you like traveling, you're very good in communication, you are the best candidate for marketing job. Same if you're technically very good and your research is good, you can always go for researcher. So you have to identify where you look best, what is your strength, how you can justify with the particular job. So after knowing about your weak point या अपना strength को after recognize, you can choose job, you can choose profile for yourself, right? And उसके बाद you need to work on domain knowledge. जो आपने उसमें आपका जो profile में आपने apply किया उसका JD क्या है, so you need to understand this and you should be clear at your thought. इसके लिए you need to work on your communication skills and your soft skill, and the only solution is practice. So students, if you after knowing about yourself, what is your strength, what is your weak point, and you identify profile yourself, you need to Google the information about the job profile and do some practice, prepare for job discussion, for group discussions and personal interviews. You know what is the parameter of when companies आप जब को shortlist करती है, so marking कैसे होती है? Communication skills is 30%, problem solving 20, teamwork is 20, relevant knowledge 20, and leadership 10. You know, a long time back, KPMG visited our campus and they told the student कि at the time of placement, your qualification, your domain knowledge, your percentage in fact matters only 12%. Rest 88% is your attitude. Even you can make out your communication, your problem solving behavior, your teamwork, your leadership quality, that comes under attitude. That is 80%, and 20% is just your relevant experience. And believe me, students, your first job maybe depend 20% your academic, but your second job is purely depend on your attitude. So you need to work on your attitude. That's a very important, right? And finally, what to wear to the interview. So as I told you, no hanky panky, no jeans, no t-shirt. So as and when we have campus, even you're going for the off campus, go in formals, right? And same for the girls, you have a business suits. And these are the instructions. If you are follow it, so I'm sure you can get a dream job, you can get a quality placement, right? So take a chill pill, and you should be knowing what is pre-selection, interview, and post-selection, which is we have already discussed. So with this note, I would like to invite questions from you, because I think you have lots of doubts in your mind. Yes, students. Yes, students. Yes.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so let me ask you a few questions. Right? Yes.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask, ma'am, how many company do visit to offer jobs in the campus?
You're talking about the BBA or MBA students?
Ma'am, no, the BBA students.
Okay, as I told you na, कि हमारे out of these 360, normally 30-35 students are going for placement. So for 35, we have 10 to 15 company. Those are coming to the campus.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Acha, tell me, what are you planning after BBA?
MBA.
MBA. Okay. So let me ask you 4 questions, right? Tarushi, can you hear me? Tarushi? No. Kunal?
Ma'am, there is a question.
Yes. Who's there? Yes, you can ask me. Yes, you can ask me question.
For the delay, ma'am, my question was when we are in BBA, in which semester and on which year we should start for our MBA preparations?
I think final year is the best time, but normally students start from second year also.
And ma'am, we should take online classes or we should visit institutions for the classes?
Nowadays, online is the only option. Otherwise, offline is better option.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Because of online, even I'm not able to find out. I'm not able to make you judge your expressions. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
So
ma'am.
offline is very important. But nowadays, there's no other option. So we have to go to the online only.
Okay.
Ma'am, is there any internships?
Is there any?
Internships?
Like, hello? Okay, tell me how many students are willing to go for placement? Manan, can you answer this question? What are you planning after BBA? Manan? Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, why only some student opt for placement?
I'm asking you, what are you planning after BBA? Yes, can you tell me what are you planning after BBA? Can you answer this question?
Ma'am, whom you are asking? I am Shubham.
हाँ शुभम, मैं आप ही से पूछ रही हूँ. What are you planning after BBA?
I want experience in some corporate and then go for MBA
For how many days? For how many months?
for 2-3 years.
Okay, right. ठीक है. Okay, I ask few questions. Like Dia, can you hear me? Divansh? No one is interacting. No one is replying.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Tarushi, एक minute. What are you planning after BBA?
Ma'am, me?
Yes.
ऊपर इन द सिक्योरिटी रूम, मैं ऊपर से राइट साइड जाने वाला था, उतने में बॉडी रिपोर्ट हो गई, सीबीआई नीचे.
Yes, Tarushi.
Ma'am, most probably MBA.
Okay. Okay. Kamal, can you hear me? Khushi? Yes. Kamal, what are you planning after BBA?
Ma'am, you are asking me.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I was thinking if I'll get a job from the college, or if I don't get the job from the college, ma'am, I'll start preparing for some government job.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. And Khushi, what are you planning? Okay, so anyway, I have questioned to few students, and mostly they wanted to go for either for job or they wanted to gain some experience, right? So you can make out after your second year, 80% students they are going either for further studies, and very few are going for business, and 30 मुश्किल से 15% students they are going for post. Okay, so that's the reason now
Excuse
we are
me, ma'am.
undertaking in writing to avoid any such confusion. होता क्या है, बच्चे जॉब के लिए भर देते हैं, we wanted to opt job. The moment they get result from CAT and they get admission in a good college, they never bother to inform us और वो अपना MBA करने लग जाते हैं. So that is why we always take in writing कि what is your further plan. आपको पढ़ना है, entrepreneur बनना है, जॉब करना है. उसके बाद we start doing work on it. Right? Yes, Tarushi, you can ask me.
Ma'am, is there any internships?
Yes. After your second year, it means after your fourth semester. This is your first year, na? First semester. Hai?
Yes,
After
ma'am.
second year, once you are done with your after your examination, after your fourth semester exam, you need to go for 50 days, working 50 days, right? So at the time of summer vacation, आपका मेरे ख्याल से वो मई और जून में summer vacation होता है. So on that time you need to go for summer internship for
Okay,
45
ma'am.
to 50 working days, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
we take undertaking again from you. We give you choice कि wanted to go off campus or on campus, because of few students in our college they are not from Delhi. They wanted to go back in their hometown and they prefer company in their hometown also. So we always give you choice कि आपका कोई link है या कोई अपना कुछ company है off campus करना, you can always go ahead, and you wanted some help from college, we will always help you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Any other question and doubt? Hello?
Hello, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
मैम जॉब लेना एमबीए के बाद सही रहेगा या फिर बीबीए के बाद?
देखो बेटा, अभी जो मार्केट सिस्टम जो बन रही है, इकोनॉमी इज वेरी डाउन, दिस इज द राइट टाइम फॉर स्टडी. ठीक है ना? तो बिकॉज ऑफ अभी आई टेल यू, जो इस बार 20 बैच का जो प्लेसमेंट हुआ है, उनकी कुछ कंपनीज की, फॉर एग्जांपल ब्लू स्टार एंड फ्यू मोर अदर कंपनीज, फेडरल बैंक, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक, अभी तक उनकी ज्वाइनिंग अभी तक नहीं आई है. कैन यू इमेजिन? तो अभी तक 20 बैच की ज्वाइनिंग नहीं हुई है. तो आई वाज टॉकिंग टू फेडरल बैंक यस्टरडे कि कब 21 के लिए हायरिंग के लिए आ रहे हो. जैसे इस साल तो मुश्किल लग रहा है, राइट? क्योंकि लॉट्स ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग पेंडिंग. So this is the time, best time for your study because the market is very uncertain. अगर अगले साल market improve हो जाती है तो you can go for job also. Otherwise, my advice कि BBA के बाद अगर ऐसी market होती है तो you go for MBA.
मैम, I have another doubt.
Sorry, yes.
मैम, अगर हमें किसी कोई बड़ी कंपनी में लेनी हो जॉब, लेकिन उसके पहले कोई एक्सपीरियंस लेना हो, तो फिर
हाँ.
कौन सी कंपनी सही
I'll
के
tell
लिए?
you नहीं, जो बड़ी कंपनी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक KPMG है, ठीक है, दे आर हायरिंग BBA स्टूडेंट्स, okay, but they are looking for quality. They are not looking for experience, but they're looking for quality.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, KPMG every year hiring from our college, but they never compromise with quality. अगर quality अच्छी है तो they never ask for experience.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, not all the students get placements.
All the students mean जो बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड हैं वो उनको हो जाता है.
Okay. Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I want to ask that will it be better or will it be good that while pursuing our MBA we can do job?
नहीं, you are a full time, आप तो full time job MBA कर रहे हो ना?
हाँ जी.
हाँ, तो फिर कैसे अफोर्ड कर सकते हो? You can do some projects.
Okay.
हाँ, you can always
Okay,
do
and
some
ma'am-
projects, but not at the
Okay.
cost of classes.
Okay. And if I do my job with distance learning for MBA,
हाँ.
then will
Huh.
it be beneficial or not?
Absolutely, I'll tell you, one of our students, Rahul Anand, in 19 batch pass out, he has done
Okay.
BBA from our college, distance से किया, MBA उसने full time किया है, and he got a wonderful job in Aditya, and he was a
Okay.
very bright. तो आपका correspondence है, distance है, regular is hardly matter. Finally, your skill matters.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Any other doubt?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you tell me the mean salary package and the highest salary package from your college?
For BBA, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. BBA का, if you talk about the MBA, then I can tell you कि it should not be less than 4.5 lakh rupees. इससे कम पैकेज को हम लोग एंटरटेन नहीं करते हैं MBA के लिए, ठीक है? और हाईएस्ट तो हमारा नोन लिमिट है, 18 लाख हमारा हाईएस्ट पैकेज गया. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द BBA स्टूडेंट, तो BBA के लिए सारी कंपनी ही 3 to 4.5 लाख के रेंज में आती है. मोस्टली कंपनी, जैसे KPMG का 3.75 का पैकेज था, एसएनएल का 4 लाख का पैकेज था, रीवा का 3.2 का पैकेज था. सारी कंपनी इसी रेंज में आती है, एक्सेप्ट बायजूस का 7.5 का था और जारो का भी शायद 6.75 का था. So very few companies, they are coming more than 5 lakh rupees, but normally companies that are hiring BBA, they're coming between bracket of 3 to 4.5 lakh rupees.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. And students, one thing more, keep in your mind, if you wanted to work for CRC team, because CRC may you learn a lot of things. So I'll request to your coordinator, Pankaj sir या Nancy ma'am, जो भी आपके coordinator, उनसे request करके मैं आप लोगों को एक form share करूँगी. And if you wanted to part of CRC team, you can fill that form. I'll take interview if you qualify. So being a part of CRC, we assign few duties to you. Okay. Sometimes you visit to the companies for presentation and calling वगैरह है करना होगा. और जब भी company campus में, you have to look after all the operation work.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
I want very intelligent students for the, and believe me, even you can talk to Gemini also. जो भी CRC में काम करता है, he or she get immediately placed. Why? Because they get direct introduction with the corporate. As I told you ना, जब वो directly उनसे बात करते हैं, they judge, they can make out कि what is the requirement of corporate, right? जब आप किसी से सीनियर से बात, it give you first information, आपको practical knowledge मिलता है, आप डायरेक्ट उनसे बात करें, वो लोग क्या आप लोगों से चाहते हो, so you can prepare yourself as per the requirement.
Ma'am, we have to fill the form now.
Yes, you have to fill the form, but I'll take your interview first. If I think you can justify, because of इसमें calling करना पड़ेगा, classes छोड़ के अपना जो भी काम देंगे वो करना पड़ेगा. For example, last year Airtel was in a college and the process was till 12 o'clock in the evening. तो मतलब जो
Okay.
बच्चे सीआरसी के बच्चे उनको रुकना पड़ा था, तो वो एक्सक्यूज नहीं कि हमें घर पे मना कर देंगे, वी कैन नॉट स्टे आफ्टर 5 o'clock. सो इफ यू आर द पार्ट ऑफ सीआरसी यू हैव टू वर्क लेट नाइट जब भी कंपनी कैंपस में है.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. हालांकि म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, कई बार हम कोशिश करते हैं कि जो बच्चा कॉलेज के पास में रहता है उसी को हम बोलते हैं स्टे करने के लिए. वी प्रेफर कि बॉयज स्टे करें, गर्ल्स को हम परेशान ना करें, या गर्ल्स रुकती हैं तो फिर हम उनको कैब से छुड़वाते हैं. विल टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, बट यू हैव दिस माइंडसेट कि अगर काम करना है तो आपको रुकना भी पड़ सकता है.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Any
Ma'am?
other question?
Ma'am, according to you, it is better to take a job after BBA for some 1-2 years or just move to MBA?
बेटा अभी तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ मेरा एक एक बोला हुआ एक एक वर्ड मैटर करेगा. इस टाइम जो सिचुएशन मार्केट की बनी हुई है, जो लॉकडाउन की वजह से जो इकोनॉमी में ये पूरी तरह से शेक हो गई है, डाउन हो गई है, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी अनसर्टेन. एवरीथिंग. दिस इज अ राइट टाइम फॉर स्टडीज, इतना मुझे पता है.
मैम
Okay, ma'am.
लेट्स सी आफ्टर 2 years अगर सिचुएशन ठीक होती है तो यू कैन वर्क फॉर सम टाइम.
मैम
नॉट
Okay, ma'am.
एक्सपीरियंस.
Thanks.
यस.
मैम
यस स्टूडेंट्स.
Ma'am.
यस.
मैम कैन वी डू बिजनेस आफ्टर बीबीए?
यस यू कैन एंटरप्रेन्योर बन सकते हो. अभी तो मैंने आपको बताया ना कि हम लोग आपको
मैम
नॉट इवन
लेकिन
हेल्पिंग
जॉब
यू.
की मतलब लाइक जिस समय का तो इसमें बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट है उस हिसाब से ठीक है.
देखो अभी जो स्टार्टअप इंडिया में जो इनके जो प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. और स्टार्टअप तो बहुत चल रहे हैं इससे, बट मैं हमेशा भी यही एडवाइस करती हूँ कि गेन सम एक्सपीरियंस. You always gain some experience, then you can start your own company. बहुत से loopholes होते हैं, you learn at the time of placement. आप जब नौकरी करते हो, किसी के साथ टीम में काम करते हो, you learn lot of things. So this is my advice. But if you wanted to start your own business, entrepreneur बना, you can always go ahead. And इसके लिए हमारा ED cell है. We invite trainers and entrepreneurs from outside. वो आपको अपना business plan कैसे बनाना है, कैसे बजट अप्रूव करवाना है, कैसे अपना हाउ कैन गो इट, वो आपको पूरा सिखाएंगे, टीच करेंगे.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
Can we get the recordings of these sessions?
Recording for?
Ma'am, this session.
Yes, you can. Absolutely. You can talk to, I think, Pankaj sir.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we do job after BBA, then the package is 3 to 4 lakhs.
3 to 4.5 lakh. Yes.
And after MBA?
MBA का जो I'll tell you, ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा. कई बार बच्चे बोलते हैं कि मैम हमें तो ग्रेजुएशन के बाद 4 लाख का पैकेज मिल रहा था, और अभी भी हमें 4.5 लाख का पैकेज मिला है आफ्टर MBA. क्या मतलब है? तो मैं ये कहती हूँ कि अब कभी आप कॉल सेंटर में काम करते हो तो भी आपको 25-30-40,000 इजीली मिल जाते हैं ना, बट वो आपके नेक्स्ट 10 years तक 40-42,000 ही होंगे. बट MBA में आफ्टर डूइंग MBA यू गेट सम स्ट्रीम, आपको एक प्रोफाइल मिलता है, उसके बाद आपकी ग्रोथ शुरू हो जाती है. हो सकता है आपने 4 लाख से ज्वाइन किया हो, लेकिन आप एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोफाइल देख रहे हो, इट विल गो अप एवरी ईयर. दैट्स अ डिफरेंस. ओके. बट नॉर्मली MBA के लिए हमारा जो मिनिमम पैकेज है इट इज 4.5 लाख रुपीस.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. Any other question? Any doubt?
मैम इंटर्नशिप की क्लासेस कब तक हो रहे हैं अभी?
इंटर्नशिप की क्लासेस नहीं होती है इंटर्नशिप की. Hello. Yes. What do you mean by internship classes? Hello. Yes, students. Yes. Is there any other doubt?
Ma'am, till when you will be sharing the form of that CRCT team?
Give me some time. Give me some time. Very shortly, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
I will ask to my MBA students. ठीक है? They will share with you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
MBA students के CRC team
Thank
है
you,
ना?
ma'am.
They will share with you, but you have to work for the placement. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि आपने फॉर्म भर दिया है, आप you have to work, you have to perform.
Okay.
But
Yes,
believe
ma'am,
me,
sure.
it has a great
Sure,
learning,
ma'am.
great learning. Okay.
Sure,
So,
ma'am.
is there any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
I think it was very nice interaction, and I love interaction with you. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों के क्वेश्चन सुन के, and you're very much into, I think maybe, or this is the beginning of the college life, but इसको maintain रखना, and all the best for your journey with Bharti
Ma'am,
Vidyapith. Yes.
ma'am, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
मैम आपने अभी कहा कि MBA का जो पैकेज है वो 4.5 लाख का होता है. तो अगर हम MBA में 20-25 लाख लगा के अगर हमें इतने मिलेंगे तो फायदा क्या है? लो मोटिवेटिंग नहीं है?
नहीं, मैंने आपको पहले क्या बोला है? मैंने आपको अपने मेरा पूरा सेंटेंस नहीं सुना बेटा, कि एक ग्रेजुएट जो एक कॉल सेंटर में काम करता है उसको भी 25, 30, 35 हजार रुपये तनख्वाह मिलती है ना, इतना सैलरी मिलता है, पर वो उसकी ग्रोथ क्या होती है? नेक्स्ट 5 years में 35 का 36,000 हो जाता है. दैट्स ऑल. बट MBA में हो सकता है आपकी ज्वाइनिंग, आपकी स्टार्टिंग 35 हो, लेकिन वो आपकी वहां से ग्रोथ स्टार्ट हो जाती है. दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस.
मैम कितनी
दैट्स
हो
द
जाएगी
ओनली
ऐसे तो?
डिफरेंस. Okay. A job, and believe me, it is purely depend on your caliber. आपको मालूम है IIMs के बच्चों को भी 100% प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलता है? Do you know it? Even IITs के बच्चों को 100% प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलता है. That depends on your caliber. कई बच्चे IIT मिलते हैं, कई बच्चे फ्रस्ट्रेशन में आ जाते हैं. हाई हेडेड स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, जॉब को जस्टिफाई नहीं करते हैं और वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन में आ जाते हैं. So you cannot compare your education with the job. You have to prove yourself. That's a qualification. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you said that you need intelligent students for CRC. So, what do you exactly mean by intelligent students? That they should have a good score in 12th, or they should be active?
Score से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. They should be positive. Should be good attitude and positive.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm looking only for hardworking with low attitude students.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tell me.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, while going out from this session, please stop the recording.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, student, and good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, you just said that the highest package was 18 lakh. It was for
Indica.
Indica. Okay, ma'am.